All right, y'all. We're finna cook some chicken Alfredo for my son. We're gonna cook it a little different today. We'll start with some chicken breast. I got some chicken broth already cooked up. It's 2 cups of chicken broth right there. We're gonna season it up with a little lemon pepper. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Salt. And paprika. Or you can just use the seasoning salt of your choice. Whichever you prefer. We're just trying to sear it to get the seasonings cooked on. We're gonna season up the other side as well. We'll put a can of cream of mushroom in here. I'm gonna do this chicken Alfredo a little different than we normally do. We'll wash that can out real good. Pour stuff all over the stove. Yes, that's hot. And we're not even gonna worry about heating this up right now. I boiled the chicken stock before, so it's fine. We're just gonna let it kind of mix and melt and do whatever it does. We're gonna put it on top of this chicken in a minute anyway. It's burnt chicken. We'll sear them flavors in. Well, burnt chicken ain't never hurt nobody. Pour our Alfredo sauce over in here as well. Or at least most of it. Now I know why I'm burning stuff. I got the heat up too high. We got our chicken seared on both sides. That's all we're looking for right now. All right, y'all. We took a break from cooking the chicken to go cut it up into little pieces. We're gonna salt the water back there. We're gonna boil some noodles. I don't know how many noodles my wife thinks we need, but we're gonna use them all. That ought to be plenty of noodles. I'll reach off in there and give them a little stir. And let them boil until they're the right texture. I got some tea going over here. I'm gonna make a half gallon of tea here in a minute. We drink sweet tea around here in the South. I'm also going to pour a little of this stock in this jar so that I can shake it up and get all that sauce out of there. Be back with y'all in just a minute. All right, y'all, we got the tea finished up. We got our meat cut up. We're gonna slip it back off in here. And let it keep right on cooking. We'll give this stuff a little stir. Just to kind of mix it up. We'll wrap on the side of the pan so my wife will cuss me. I got this stock in here. Put it on in here, mix it up too. See, it gets almost all of it out the jar there. Throw a little butter off in the noodles. Throw the rest of the butter off in the chicken. Can't get my heat right on this chicken tonight for some reason. And this is cream of mushroom soup, 2 cups of chicken stock, and a jar of Alfredo sauce. Finna go on ahead and I've got some sun-dried tomatoes that I'm gonna add to this. We ain't never done that before, but we're gonna give it a shot. Smells good. Whew. Smells real good. We're gonna put them off in there. Pack it and everything. There was one still in there hanging on, y'all. My wife came in here and strained the noodles for me while I was gone. And she figured we might need just a touch more butter. Y'all can get to watch her stir it up a little bit now. But she ain't gonna say nothing. Them sun-dried tomatoes smelling good, y'all. Kind of buried them under all that chicken. Got this idea from a Mediterranean restaurant that I went to the other day. And they put some sun-dried tomatoes in their white sauce. And I thought it would taste pretty good, so. Talked to my son about it because he's the one that likes chicken Alfredo around here. Asked him if we could do it a little different. And he said that was fine, so maybe he'll like it. Hopefully he will. And we're going to pour this right on top of it. And we ain't going to be able to stir it no more, because I filled the pan up too much. We're going to let that come to a simmer. And it's going to overflow, y'all. It's going to make a mess. We'll check back with y'all in a little bit. Y'all, I had put the little pot in the big pot, but I went on ahead and put the big pot in the little pot. It really don't fill this pot up much, but at least it ain't about to overflow. We're gonna bring it to a boil, and then we're gonna turn it down to a simmer. Let it cook that chicken through and through. Let the flavors marry. Let them sun-dried tomatoes soak up some flavor and soak out some flavor. Put it on top of some noodles. And that's gonna be about it. We'll check back with y'all when we get ready to fix a plate. Y'all, we just about got it done. I'm gonna go ahead and I usually fix the kids' plates before my own, but I'm gonna go ahead and fix my plate this time. Throw a little chicken and sauce on there. I think I need a little more sauce. I got too much pasta, y'all. What is too much pasta? It's fattening, so you know it's good. And then, I don't know if the kids are gonna want to do this to theirs, so that's why I fixed mine first, so I could do this on camera and show y'all what I'm doing to mine. Heavily seasoning it with sumac. Y'all give it a try.
Dad, what's sumac?
My baby girl just asked, what is sumac? I'm going to explain it to her on this video. Baby girl, sumac is a tree that grows native around here. It also grows native in the Mediterranean area. It is a staghorn sumac is what this comes from, most likely. Smooth sumac and shining sumac both grow here. Shining sumac is Rhus copulinum, and smooth sumac is Rhus glabra. Staghorn sumac is Rhus typhinum. It is not to be confused with poison sumac, which is Toxicodendron vernix, a totally different plant that has urushiol in it that will give you a bad allergic reaction. This right here will not give you a bad allergic reaction unless you happen to be allergic to that other plant that's not poison sumac. Eat with caution and don't listen to anything I say on these videos because I ain't no professional. Y'all let me know what you think about this recipe. Like, comment, subscribe, comment, subscribe.